I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install MiMo code on Linux operating system, such as Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC. So here to get the command in Google search box right there, MiMo code, then go on this MiMo org site, okay, .com site. Let's click this. Then you need to move on the GitHub site. So this here, our GitHub site is currently opening. Scroll down. So you have this command. So you need to use this command, copying this, and thereafter, let's open the terminal. Now, thereafter, let's increase the size little bit and paste it there. So cut this MI site and install. So MiMo code is currently installing. Installing MiMo code version 011. Here you can see the total percentage that's done. So this the recently launched this MiMo code. You can do the unlimited chatting related with the coding. You can ask any query inside there. You can get directly answer. This is comes from MI site. Okay. So here you can see this is almost done here, only few percent. This done. So 100% that's done. Now you can see. So you can, if you want, then you can change the directory. Then you can run for run command. You should use their memo. So let's use their clear command first. Writing this place memo. Okay, this is not found there. So what we need to do? So here you need to open the new terminal. Then you should write this command. So previous terminal, this is undetected. Now you can see this here. First of this I understand. Press enter and wait for few second times. Here you can get this. So MiMo or this version, let's test with the high. I agree. Click on this. So this is now I've given the high. This is returning. How can I help you? Within for 444 millisecond. So the next is let's ask another question. How to learn SQL? Okay, let's write there MongoDB. How to learn MongoDB? So start MongoDB official university. This one practice MongoDB. After that, I'm going to ask their top jobs in top IT jobs in current market. So top IT jobs: cloud engineering, AI engineering, cybersecurity analyst, developer, full stack, data science, platform engineer. Like this, you can ask any question according to your requirement. And this is how we can do the installation of MiMo code on Linux. So you should try this on Linux, Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, etc. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.